dangerous business.
Ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills kila penjor ya ke Jingpahara, bat buuk kambun ke sipai pahara bat ringkat bat ki. Kila pelong ya ke jing telasi haki jaga kaput ki ba kam shongs ir Hashwa ke Sngi ya ke jing yo Laitluid. USP uba Vivix mula pentikna bawat la ke jing long jingman kadang long ke ba Sngi Henry la penjor ya ke jing ya pahara ke jing telasi ki kali ba ke jing pej perman dakat nat intelligence. Kajing trelang bat kisipai BSF kalanang klan bat ka jingbu ikisipai kadang ne ban pentikna ya kajing shingan.
Well, so far the law and order is peaceful. There's no any serious incidents so far. Law and order arrangements have been put in place in the city and outside the city also. There has been intense vehicle checking both during the day and night and all that in strategic areas. Random checking of vehicles have been done in almost every place. And sector officers are moving in the areas, combing in the areas, checking for anything suspicious and all that. Intelligence units are also fully geared up.
Ka kendai lat